Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Davlatov. Today we will gonna talk about the best foods to clean out your liver. The liver has more than 500 functions, but the main function of the liver is detoxify toxins, poisons and chemicals. And another function is production of bile, production certain proteins, and production some hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Okay, before I get to the foods, I want just briefly mention the different symptoms that occur in damaged liver. Number one is itchiness in the body, like this. The another symptoms is vomiting and nausea. This is a very big symptoms that can happen or occur in damaged liver. The another symptoms is loss of appetite. You don't want to get some foods or drinks. This is one of the main symptoms that can occur in damaged liver. The last symptoms that can occur is the white of your eyes and your skin get yellow. So now I want to shift my talk into the best foods to clean out your liver. Okay, the number one item is turmeric. Turmeric has active phytonutrient that call it curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory effects that reduce inflammation in the liver. The turmeric also help repair and regenerate the liver function and protects the mitochondria. We know that the origin of cancers is from damaged mitochondria. Therefore, turmeric can repair the mitochondria and it has very powerful anti-cancer effects. Turmeric have also detoxify function that can detoxify heavy metals like lead and mercury. Okay, the next foods I want to talk about is avocados, because avocado high in glutathione, and avocados help to repair and stabilize the liver tissues. Take one avocados a week, it will improve significantly your liver. Now the next one on the list is beets. Beets help reduce inflammation in your liver and can help detoxify some heavy metals like mercury. Okay, take beets in salads or take some juice beets. It can significantly improve your liver function. Another item in our list is garlic. Garlic is high in sulfur. We know that the sulfur has very powerful antioxidant effects that can repair your liver and can detoxify your liver. I recommend you take one or two garlic in a week. Okay, the last things we recommend for you is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil also decrease fat in your liver and helps in insulin resistance and reduce high level enzymes in your liver. If you take 1 teaspoon olive oil in your salad daily, it can create significant improvement in your liver. Now we talked about the best foods that helps and supports your healthy liver. At the end, please like and share this video, subscribe on our channel, and Write your comment below. Bye.